Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm doing this simple type of makeup look. A makeup look that you can do basically where you're going anywhere. You can go to like the doctor's office, you know, go get your grocery shopping done. Just to go shopping, or basically do anything that you just want to have a little makeup on, but you don't want to take too long and you don't want to like do too much. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, or you guys are interested or looking for something like that, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to start with, I just took a shower and then I was going to put my headband on to get this hair out of my face. I'm going to try to keep it down this time. See how long I can keep it down, because I feel like I always put it up because my hair starts frizzing. There's always little particles flying around every time I want to film. Why? I don't understand. Anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is primer face. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm going to just be putting that on my hand like this. And then I am going to be spreading that on my face, especially focusing on the areas that I have larger pores. Yeah, so over here on my nose, or here on this part of my cheeks, my forehead, my upper lip, right here on my chin. Oh, okay. Oh man, I should have grabbed my other foundation. Oh, whatever. I'm doing it very, like, I'm not looking for a lot of coverage either. You know what I mean? Okay. So I'm going to be doing that. After that, I'm going to be doing my foundation. Foundation I'm using is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. Is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily. And this is in the number 128 Warm Nude. That looks like, so I am going, it's not a pump, it's just like a little type of bottle like that. So you do have to kind of like flip it and then get some on your finger and just like dot it. So I am going to be dotting that all over my face. Like that. My nose, my cheeks, my forehead, my chin. Okay. All over my face. And then I am going to be going in with my Morphe G36 brush. You guys heard that I always been hearing me. I use this brush all the time. I actually cleaned it. It looks so fluffy. I love it. So I might have to put more product on because, you know, I don't know if you guys use brushes to do your foundation and stuff, or any type of creams, especially when you first wash them. We kind of have to use a little bit more because the brush does absorb some of the product. So just so you guys do know that. So we're just gonna be this is not a get ready with me type thing. I am just gonna be blending this in, and yeah. Okay, so that's basically it for my foundation. So you guys see that it's coverage, but not too much. Like, you just see a little redness. I really don't mind. I usually go on top of that, like where I have redness and stuff, with my Milani Conceal and Perfect in the number 3. I usually use that one on top just to cover the little red spots, but it's all over there and I don't feel like getting it. And this is usually what I do anyways, sometimes. What the heck was that? That was really weird. So I'm just going to be doing that. And then now I'm going to do my concealer. Okay, concealer I'm going to be using is my LA Girl Pro Conceal. And this in the color Creamy Beige. Oh, I grabbed the wrong color. Oh well, this one still works. So just like that. Then I'm going to be blending that in with my beauty blender. I'm just going to go ahead and wet it real quick. So I'm just going to grab my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend that underneath my eyes. So yeah, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. I know you guys can see it's not like too much coverage, but I'm not really looking for much coverage since I'm just not going anywhere. I just don't want to have a bare skin. So it's just like usually when I have to go to the grocery store, go get something at the store or something, or take my son to the doctor, or I have to go to the doctor. Something really simple. I didn't take too much time. I'm not doing big contour and big what's it called, eyeshadow. Oh, and by the way, I am baking underneath my eyes with my Airspun with my beauty blender. Zoom you guys out a little bit more. You can see what I'm doing. So then I am gonna not bake, but I am gonna set the rest of my foundation with my Morphe E1 brush and using that same Airspun. Now I'm going to be bronzing with my Morphe R5 brush and my Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and I'm just going to be bronzing my face. Then I'm going to be using my Morphe G41 brush to contour down my nose just a little bit. Just like that, because I don't want to be like big contoured or anything like that. Just doing something super simple, just putting it on my face. That's about it. So next I'm going to do some blush. I am going to be using my favorite blush, by the Balm Cabana Boy. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E4 brush to be putting that on my cheeks. Okay, then next I am going to be highlighting my face. Where's my highlighter? I'm using the Urban Decay Sin. This is a little sample that I have. And I'm going to be using my Luxie 504 brush. And I'm going to be putting that on my cheeks right here, my nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow. And yeah, that's about it. I'm putting that on my brush and just applying that. You guys see that? It's really pretty. It's not blinding, but it's kind of subtle, but very, very beautiful, especially in person. So just like that. Like that, and then I am going to be taking off that. I'm going to be taking off that bake that I have underneath my eyes with my Morphe A48 brush. Oh wait. So I actually forgot to get my eyebrow product, but let's be honest, I don't always do my eyebrows anyways. So I'm just gonna skip that step. I'm gonna skip that step real quick. And I was gonna do eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna skip that step as well because I usually sometimes don't even wear eyeliner. I usually just do a lip color and some mascara. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna put some color in my eyes. Though I'm gonna be using my Morphe M502 brush and this MAC saddle. Just gonna be putting a little bit on there, tapping off the excess, and then just okay. So I am just gonna be doing my eyeshadow now. I think my light keeps going on and off, on and off. Okay. Like again, I'm using my Morphe M502 and that MAC saddle, and I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of color on my eyes. I think actually I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera though, like before I leave. Probably won't film that, but I probably will do it. So on my picture in the front, my eyebrows will be done. It's not much, my eyebrows don't really change really, so yeah, you can just do your eyebrows how you usually do them. I just pencil them in with my LA Colors Browy Wowie in the color medium brown. You've seen me in my other videos doing that. So that's about it. Like, that's all I'm doing to my eyes, like literally. I'm not doing anything else. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see. Yeah. Okay, let me brighten this a little bit more. And what else? Okay, so we're gonna be lashing our lashes. I'm using the Cleanlogic Lash Curler. And I'm gonna be curling my lashes. I don't know why a lot of people are scared of this, but I'm not. Curl them real quick. And I'm going to be using I'm going to be using the Balm Matte Lash Mascara. And just going to be coating my lashes really quickly. And my bottom lashes as well. My mic just literally stopped recording a little while ago, so if you guys do heard different voice, like a different, like not different voice, but different, like the audio is not the same, I'm gonna have to be using the one from my camera, cause my alarm went off on my phone and it stopped recording my voice from my mic. So I just wanted you guys to know that. And I feel like you guys can't even see me. Like, where's my light at? It's like all the way. Okay. Hopefully it's good. You guys can see me real good. Anyway, so I just did my lashes and my mascara. And then I usually just line my lips real quick and just put on lip color. So I'm using my Cherry Moya eye and lip pencil. It's in the color 15 Natural, and I'm going to be lining my lips with it. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to be applying this lipstick. Is the Birds and Bees lipsticks in the 502 Suede Splash. Right? Suede Splash. Yeah, this is what this looks like. It's super, it's been used pretty good. Yeah, I'm just going to be applying this on my lips. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. This is the finished look. It's just a simple, very simple laid back type of look. This is very good for like when you need to go to the groceries, go to doctor's offices, pick something up, you know, do your regular errands that you do every day. This is a very good, nice little makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your little bell. Hit the little bell so you can turn on your notifications so you guys know when I have a new video up. And what else? Oh, don't forget to follow me on my social media. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.